Alright guys, today we're going to be unboxing this package from Nightrunner and then installing it onto the car. Let's get it started. Probably put this one on the car. Alright, so we've got the WILLANS 4-point harness reels. Let's have a look. The buckle for your lap, and all the hardware you need to install them. Then we've got these ASR Harness Reels. So attach the cage using this hoop, and then you install these like here, and then you wind up the extra harness around there, so it just cleans it up. Let's go ahead and place them in the car so we have the orientation right. Alright guys, so I'm running the GReddy rails, and it looks like there is a loop right here that's welded onto the rail. Yep, so you can see here the GReddy rails come with a little loop here, so you don't need to install the eye loop anywhere. That bolt there is a 14mm. So it looks like we'll have to undo all of this. It's got a little clip on the end, and we need to transfer this over if we want to retain our OEM seatbelt and just put the eye bolt on the end of that. Lock washers are a pain in the ass to remove. Alright. And the manual says to always have the clasp end where it hooks facing forward. So the instructions say we need a 2.5mm and a 4mm Allen head. The 2.5 is used to remove the bolts holding the harness bar side together. Just like that, they'll come apart. Alright, so right now we've got one side of the passenger in. So for the other side, what we're going to do is line up the lettering. So you're going to take the adjuster that came with the WILLANS harness, and with the curved side up, you're going to slip the harness through the back, over the top, and through to the side facing you. And then from here, go ahead and pull all the slack through. You're going to go under the harness bar and then back through the side closest to you, up, get under snug, go up and over, and then through the other side. Okay, you're gonna go back over the top and then through the side closest to you again. It's gonna be pretty snug. Okay. Now all this gets rolled up. All right, so here's how they look. Okay, yeah, that's much better. That's it. Just do the driver's side. So here's how it looks. What do you guys think? So I've decided to do a giveaway. I forgot to do a giveaway when I hit 30,000 followers on Instagram, so I'll just go ahead and do it now. All you have to do is like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'll pick a random winner in a week. So I'll give a t-shirt in whatever size you need, this Willan's and Nightrunner collab toe strap, air freshener, and a bunch of stickers and a phone socket. One last thing, guys, I'm going to make the giveaway open to anyone. So wherever you are, you don't have to worry about the shipping and stuff. Just go ahead and enter.